Find the vertex and focus of the parabola x minus 2 whole squared is 32 and y plus 1. Now you can make out that had the question been x square is 32y, you could have made it like 4 into 8 into y. But here in place of x, we have x minus x1 whole squared is 4a into y minus y1. So any x can be converted into x minus x1, any y can be converted into y minus y1, leaving everything the same. What I'm meaning by that is, if I'll give you a question like x minus 2 whole squared is 32 into y minus 3, find the focus. So this is something like x squared is 32y, so it's a parabola that opens upward. So this is the standard parabola that I'm always taking. This is the origin. Its focus is 0a. So this 32 is 4 into 8 into y minus 3. So this is your a. So this a is 8. Now the actual parabola, had the parabola been like this one's focus would have been 0a. Now, as this is not like this, but is in the form of x minus x1 whole squared is 4a into y minus y1, just add an x1 here and add a y1 here. That's it. It's 0a originally. If it is taking this shape, just add an x1 and a y1. And this is happening through simply everything. Like if he is asking find the equation of the directrix. So the equation of the directrix in this case is y is minus a. In the standard parabola, if it is given in this form, just add a plus y1. Any x, just add an x1. Any y, just add an y1. That's it. So in this case, I'm finding that this is a y plus 1. So I will write like x minus 2 whole squared is 4 into 8 into y minus of minus 1. X minus x1 whole squared is 4a into y minus y1. So your x1 is 2, a is 8, y1 is minus 1. Find the vertex. Now in the original parabola, standard parabola, the vertex is 0, 0. So in this parabola it is, as I told, just add an x1 and a y1. So this is 0 plus 2, 0 plus or minus 1, or it is 2 minus 1. And focus in this parabola is 0a, so it is 0 plus x1, a plus y1. You can make out the values. So this is 2, a is 8, so 8 minus 1, or this is 2, 7. If you are understanding this, then the next part that we will be discussing on ellipse and hyperbola. will be just some minutes discussion, even though they look more scarier than the parabola. The two ends of a lattice rectum of lattice rectum of a parabola are something. Find the focus. Now whatever kind of parabola it is, if it is like this is the parabola, or like this, whose axis is parallel to the x-axis. These all parabolas are actually x minus x1 whole squared is 4a into y minus y1. Whatever the parabola be, the lattice rectum's endpoints are this and this, and the focus must be in the midpoint. So if I'll take this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2, and the focus is x3 y3, according to midpoint formula theorem in class 11th, first PUC, x3 is x1 plus x2 by 2, y3 is y1 plus y2 by 2. So simple. So this is your x1, this is your y1, this is your x2, this is your y2. Now this is minus 5 plus 3 by 2, and this is minus 3 plus 1 by 2. You'll get some answer. This is minus 1, this is minus 1. This is the coordinate of the focus. Find the focus. A focus is a point. So find the focus basically means find the coordinates. Because a point will only have coordinates. It doesn't have a distance or an equation. Find the focus of the parabola y square minus 8x is equal to 32. Y square minus 8x minus 32 is 0. You can see the similar question over here. These questions are simple enough. Always keep the square in the left hand side and take out other things to the right hand side. So this is 8x plus 32. Now take a common of 4. I'm sorry. So y square is 8x plus 32, and whatever is here, the coefficient of x, that you take common. So this is x plus 4. Now you can easily make out that this is 4 into 2, and this is x minus of minus 4, and this is y squared, this is y minus 0 whole squared. So this is your y1, this is your x1, this is your a. What it's asking is find the focus. Now think this parabola as y square is 4ax. That is the parabola that opens to the right side, and its focus is a0. In this parabola, the focus is a plus x1, 0 plus y1. Add x1 to the x coordinate, add y1 to the y coordinate. So this a is 2. 2 plus x1 is minus 4, and this is 0 plus y1 is 0. So this comes to be minus 2 and 0. Let me just solve this. Y square is 4 times, y square is 4x plus 4y. This question is the overall story is I should convert everything as this is the y square. I should write like y square is 4ax. This y can also become y minus y1 squared is 4a into x minus x1. Now if I'll take a common of 4 here, I'm getting an extra thing like y. So this question is like square is y square. All the y terms take one side, others keep on the other side. This y square minus 4y here will make a perfect square. This is already discussed in integration with a special type like 1 by q, that is quadratic, or 1 by square root of q. I'll suggest you to go with that. If not, you can go like this. This y square, this 4 is 2 times 2 into y plus 2 squared minus 2 squared is 4x. It's very much tedious on my part to discuss each and everything again and again. So perfect squaring, I'll suggest you to go with integration section where it's clearly discussed. Otherwise I have to divert another 15 minutes on this. Now this portion is y minus 2 whole squared minus 4 is 4x. Now y minus 2 whole squared is 4x plus 4, which is 4 taken off being the coefficient is x plus 1. I can write this as 4 into 1 into x minus of minus 1, and here it is. This is your y1, this is your a, this is your x1. Whatever is asking you can get. Find the focus. So this is the parabola. It's like y square is 4a x, so it's opening to the right. Again the same thing, it's a 0, add a y1, add an x1. How did it come like y square is minus 4ax? You should compare it with this parabola, and it's again the same. This is minus a 0, so if it is y minus y1 whole squared is minus 4a and x minus x1, so it's minus a plus x1 0 plus y1.